Market my print-on-demand brand with me. Episode number 2. So in the last video, we talked about how I came up with the idea for the brand, how I did the entire brand concept, the idea for the products, why I chose Printify as my print provider, ordering samples, and so much more. If you want to watch it, the link will be in the description. And in this video, I will go ahead and move on a step further. I will show you how I built my website, how I connected Printify to WooCommerce, listed the product, actually made them available on the website. I'm also showing you the photo shoot that I did for the product. So this is what I suggest you do as well. Order samples and then take photos. You can also use some mockups that Printify offers so they can see the front of the product, the back of the product. But I also suggest taking some photos in your own brand style and choosing those for your website, for the hero banner on your site, for social media, and more. So we're going to start with the website, and for the website I chose Elementor and WooCommerce. You sign up to Elementor, you get a Shoptimizer theme for free. So this is what I used for this e-commerce site. And then again, my print provider is Printify, so I will go ahead and list the product directly from Printify to WooCommerce once I make the connection. So first things first, you need to create the actual designs, the actual products in Printify. Choose all the colors that you want them to have, all the sizes, add the design, the neck label, the sleeve design if you want one, and add them to your product inside Printify. Once you do that, you'll be able then to go to your stores and connect WooCommerce. And I will give you a short step-by-step tutorial right now showing you how I connected my WooCommerce store to Printify. Then once your products are added inside your catalog, your products, then you can go there and decide which photos you want to list, what the description will be, the profit margin, the pricing of the product, and you will select all those details, and then you'll be able to click publish to store, and you'll be able to see the products inside your WooCommerce store. You'll go to products and you'll be able to see that it is in stock or live on the website. And you will be able to preview it and see that everything went smoothly. Then if at any time you want to make any modifications to the product inside Printify, you will have to republish the product. So after you make the modifications, you will need to click publish again and wait a little bit for those designs, for those modifications to take place. So with Printify, you don't have to worry about the production of the pieces at all. All you have to do is list them into your store. When somebody orders, Printify takes care of the order. They take the money from your wallet, top up from Printify, and then you receive the full amount from the customer. So this way you make that profit margin for every product that you sell. So for the actual website design, I wanted to fit the style, the branding, and the kind of brand vibe that I went with. Very young, very sarcastic, and funny. So that is why I created the top of banner that would say something funny. I chose the specific font that I choose for the brand, for the sayings on the hoodies, on the sweatshirts. I chose that font for the website as well. So I created the menu with it. I created the hero banner with that font as well. The categories, the sections, I wanted to have the sections as well in the top menu as well as on the home page as well. So I organized everything into categories, hoodies, sweatshirts, and t-shirts. And in the future, I will add more like accessories, mugs, and things like that. So for the web design, I chose the colors as well that would fit the brand style. So the brown, the light beige, and all those colors, ivory, and things like that. Because I wanted to keep the brand vibe consistent throughout the website as well. You will see that in the footer as well. I chose the same kind of sarcastic language, and I just wanted to make sure that everything is on brand. Then creating the designs and more designs in Canva. Whenever I came up with a new product idea, so a new saying idea, I just went to Canva, wrote it, downloaded it in high resolution, made sure that the color is the color for the embroidery that I wanted to have, and I went to Printify and uploaded the design, add it on the product, and then make sure to list it in my store. So I did that with all the things for all the products, so people can choose whatever garment option and size they want. So as you saw in my previous video, the samples also arrived. So I was decided to take a photo shoot with them, video shoot, And in the following minutes, I will show you the photos that I did with them, how I added them to the website, how I personalized the website, and then how I added more products. Even though I didn't have home photo shoots with them, I just added some of them and then just made sure that the saying was really clear to read. Because with the print-on-demand brand, if you offer many products, it is hard to order all those samples for you. So you can add photos so they can see how they actually look in real life, and then you can use mock-ups for most of them too. But I suggest for at least one of the products. For example, if you have a hoodie, make sure to order a hoodie and take photos and videos. If you have a mug, do the same for the mug. And then if it's the same mug with a different saying, a different design, then you can keep that photo consistent. But it is important to have at least one for each product. So for the photos that I took, I will not only use them on the website, but on social media too, Instagram, TikTok, and even Pinterest. So it is important to have photos that you took yourself. Next, I'm going to plan TikTok marketing. So I told you that through short videos, this is how I want to grow this brand. So on Instagram and on TikTok. So for these, I created some videos, but I will create more on my phone as well. That will use popular sounds, aesthetic clips, funny, relatable sayings, maybe unbox and order with me, because with a print-on-demand brand, Printify takes care of the packing, behind the scenes of photo shoots, of video shoots, and just funny videos as well to keep in line with the branding. The reason I wanted to create this type of brand is because in 2026, I feel like the people buy from a brand because of the feeling that their brand gives them, not because it has the product that they want, but because that brand makes them feel good, included. So there you go, this was my process with the web design, with taking photos and videos of the products and starting the marketing strategy. In my next and final video of this series right here, I will talk all about how I finalized the website and added multiple types of products, how I ordered more samples, created more photos and videos, and how the TikTok videos and Instagram videos started taking off. And I will let you in my very first sales. I will show you the behind the scenes and everything else you need to know. So if you've enjoyed the video and it was helpful to you, to help you and inspire you to start your own print-on-demand brand, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe down below for more videos. And don't forget to check out Printify to start your own print-on-demand brand today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!